Shocking benefits of drinking clove water at night. Doctors aren't talking about these. In this video, we'll share with you a highly effective recipe that you can prepare very easily, and once you discover its benefits, we are certain that you'll want to drink it every night. It is clove water. You'll be amazed at how drinking a glass of clove water before bedtime can provide tremendous benefits for your health. You'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. In this video, you'll not only learn about these benefits, supported by scientific studies, but also how to prepare clove water and who should be cautious when consuming it. If you watch the video until the end, you'll see that this miraculous spice holds the solution to 15 crucial health problems. If you are ready, let's take a look at the positive effects of drinking a glass of clove water before bedtime on your health. 1. Eases digestion and regulates the bowels. For those who experience bloating at night, suffer from colitis and diarrhea, or simply want easier digestion, a glass of clove-infused water works wonders. The digestive benefits of cloves are clearly demonstrated in a 2011 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food and a 2013 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been found to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a vital role in breaking down food and facilitating nutrient absorption, meaning that when you drink clove water, problems like bloating and indigestion are relieved. Additionally, clove water helps individuals with ulcerative colitis by slowing intestinal motility, eliminating the feeling of pressure in the abdominal area, and reducing the frequent urge to have a bowel movement. It also aids in the reabsorption of water in the large intestine. By drinking clove water before going to bed, you can help your bowels relax and enjoy a higher quality sleep. 2. Reduces inflammation and edema in the body. Because our ancestors knew about the healing properties of clove-infused water, they often made it a habit to drink this water at night. They knew it was both soothing and a natural remedy against all types of inflammation in the body. Science supports their knowledge. In a study published in 2012 in the Journal of Immunotoxicology, researchers found that eugenol suppresses the activity of cyclooxygenase, an important enzyme involved in inflammation. Drinking this water at night is especially important because your body naturally goes into repair mode while you sleep. By disrupting the inflammatory process, eugenol in cloves helps your body relax. When you wake up the next morning, you'll feel less pain, more rejuvenated, and well rested, and you'll notice that swelling in your body has also decreased. 3. Cleanses the body of harmful substances. There are molecules called free radicals in our bodies, sometimes formed by internal factors and sometimes by external ones, which lead to premature aging, cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The most effective way to fight them is through an antioxidant-rich diet. This is where drinking clove-infused water at night works like a miracle. Cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants. They contain high-performance antioxidants like vitamins C and E, eugenol, flavonoids, and gallic acid. A 2019 article published in the Journal of Functional Foods noted that these compounds effectively neutralize harmful free radicals. While your body is resting at night, the antioxidants in clove-infused water work even more intensively to repair your cells. A 2022 study in the Journal of Antioxidants showed that antioxidants are more effective when the body is at rest because the repair process can proceed without the distraction of daily activity. In summary, drinking clove water before bed is like activating a cleanup crew for your body. 4. cleans the liver and provides critical health support. The eugenol in clove water supports the body's natural detoxification process and prevents lipid peroxidation, a major factor in liver damage. This means your liver can work more efficiently without additional stress. Think of your liver as a filter that cleanses toxins from your body. Over time, this process can become exhausting and damage the liver. To prevent such damage and support your liver, drinking clove water at night can be very beneficial. In fact, there are scientific studies suggesting that this water can even help repair damaged liver tissues. A 2016 study found that clove extract can initiate the regeneration of liver cells, and it has also been noted to help in treating cirrhosis and preventing liver cancer. 5. Helps regulate blood sugar. Drinking clove-infused water at night helps regulate blood sugar through its antioxidants and phenolic compounds, such as eugenol. These compounds have been found to increase insulin production and improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the vital hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels, and thanks to cloves, its functionality is enhanced to maintain balanced blood sugar. Another impressive compound in cloves is nigericin. Research shows that nigericin helps transport sugar from the bloodstream into cells, thereby helping control blood glucose levels. Drinking clove water specifically at night boosts this effect even more. During nighttime hours, your body's insulin sensitivity naturally increases, and clove water works in harmony with your biology to help keep your blood sugar in balance. 6. Improves breathing and relieves the respiratory tract. Drinking a glass of clove-infused water before bedtime can help you breathe comfortably throughout the night. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has the ability to suppress coughing and open the airways, allowing your lungs to function more efficiently. If you struggle with a persistent tickling cough at night, clove water can provide significant relief. It also soothes the lining of your respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. 7. Supports bone health and helps with osteoporosis. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract can boost bone mineralization and help prevent bone loss. Clove-infused water contains potent compounds that stimulate the activity of osteoblasts, which are responsible for bone formation, while inhibiting osteoclasts, which break down bone tissue. This delicate balance between bone formation and resorption plays a critical role in maintaining healthy bones. By drinking a glass of clove water at night, you can strengthen your bones and protect against osteoporosis. 8. Promotes healthy gums and teeth. Drinking clove water before going to bed supports dental health almost as much as brushing your teeth does. A 2019 study in the Journal of Contemporary Dental Practice revealed that clove oil shows significant antibacterial activity against various bacteria, including Streptococcus mutans, which is a major cause of tooth decay. Additionally, clove water helps reduce gum inflammation. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to prevent conditions like gingivitis. You can also rinse your mouth with clove water for added benefit. For toothaches, cloves can be highly effective. If you have a toothache, rinsing with clove water or applying a small amount of clove oil to a cotton ball and placing it on the affected tooth can quickly alleviate pain. Another great effect is that it helps eliminate bad breath, so you'll notice your mouth feels fresher the next morning. 9. strengthens hair and promotes fast growth. Clove-infused water is highly beneficial for hair health. Rich in antioxidants, cloves contain beta-carotene and vitamin A, which nourish the hair. They also help renew cells in the scalp, leading to a healthier and more vibrant scalp while preventing dandruff. Clove water is known as a natural remedy for hair loss, as it stimulates hair follicles and encourages new hair to grow more quickly. Applying clove water regularly can result in faster, healthier hair growth. Drinking it also contributes to stronger hair from the inside out. 10. Helps you get a good night's sleep. Here is one of the most important reasons to drink clove water at night. Compounds in cloves like eugenol and beta-caryophyllene have calming properties. They interact with receptors in the brain to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, paving the way for a restful sleep. A 2022 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming clove water before bed had a positive effect on sleep quality. Acting like a natural sleep aid, clove water not only helps you fall asleep, but also aids in your body's overnight repair process, so you wake up feeling fully rested. 11. Kills harmful bacteria in your body. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Food Science discovered that clove extract is a potent antibacterial agent against various bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. The star component, eugenol, damages bacterial cell membranes, causing essential cellular components to leak out, which ultimately leads to the bacteria's death. By drinking clove water, you are taking a proactive step toward eliminating harmful bacteria within your body. 12. A wonderful solution for healthy skin. A 2020 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science revealed that clove water is rich in skin-nourishing vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and manganese. These nutrients support collagen production, helping your skin stay elastic and firm for a more youthful appearance. Clove water also offers notable anti-inflammatory effects, reducing redness and swelling associated with various skin conditions. You can even put clove water in a spray bottle to apply it directly to your skin. This is particularly helpful for insect bites, as it prevents bacterial growth and inflammation. Meanwhile, drinking clove water continues to support your skin from the inside. 13. Aids weight loss. Recent research suggests that consuming clove water at night can help with weight management. In a 2021 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, participants who drank clove water before bedtime for 8 weeks saw impressive results. The compounds in cloves boost metabolism, helping the body burn calories more effectively. Plus, clove water naturally suppresses appetite and curbs overeating. These findings are promising. However, keep in mind that while drinking clove water at night, maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise during the day will further support your weight loss goals. 14. Protects against cancer. Clove-infused water's cancer protective effect largely comes from eugenol, the impressive compound we have mentioned repeatedly. Scientific research indicates that eugenol can hinder the growth of cancer cells. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Food Science showed that clove water increases detoxification processes in the body during sleep, aiding in the elimination of harmful toxins and carcinogens. This, in turn, reduces cancer risk. Clove water is thought to be especially protective against cancers such as lung, stomach, and colon cancer. Professor Dr. İlhami Gülçin, a full member of the Turkish Academy of Sciences, has also stated that clove's remarkable cancer preventive effect has been proven in numerous studies. 15. Helps with male impotence. A 2021 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that cloves possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties improve blood flow and circulation, creating conditions conducive to healthy erectile function. Eugenol in cloves increases the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes the smooth muscles in the arteries to boost blood flow. Regular nightly consumption of clove water may enhance circulation and contribute to harder, long-lasting erections. How to prepare clove water? A practical clove water recipe with cold water. For this recipe, simply add 8 to 10 cloves into 1 glass of drinking water. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes so that the cloves infuse the water with their aroma. After steeping, strain out the cloves and enjoy your clove water. It is that easy. A clove water recipe with hot water. Technically, you can think of this as a clove tea. For about 1 glass of clove water, take roughly 1 to 1.5 glasses of drinking water and pour it into a small pot. Add 10 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick, then bring it to a boil. Once it's ready, strain out any solids and enjoy the infused water hot, warm, or cold. Compared to the cold infusion, this version will have a stronger flavor. If you find it too intense, feel free to add lemon or honey as a sweetener. Who should avoid or be cautious with clove water? 1. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. While moderate use of cloves as a spice is generally considered safe, pregnant and breastfeeding women are advised to avoid consuming large amounts of clove water due to insufficient research on its effects. 2. Those with bleeding disorders or taking blood thinners. Cloves can have blood thinning properties. Individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking anticoagulant medication should limit their intake of clove water. 3. People scheduled for surgery. To minimize the risk of excessive bleeding during or after an operation, it is recommended to stop drinking clove water at least 2 weeks before a planned surgery. 4. Individuals with gastrointestinal issues. People with conditions like ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, or inflammatory bowel disease should be cautious when drinking clove water. These conditions may be negatively affected by clove water, so it is best to consult a doctor beforehand. Enjoy discovering the remarkable benefits that clove water offers. Feel free to share the positive effects you experienced in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, you might also find this one interesting. Have a healthy day.